Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel startuplanes.com. I am More Tanvi, and as you know, these are the series of interviews that we are conducting for the promotion of some excellent startups across our country. Now the question is that why you should watch this interview. You should watch this interview if you are a job seeker. You should watch this interview if you want to invest. You should watch this interview to learn from the best ever experiences our interviewees have had. So let's get started. For today's interview, we have someone from an established PR organization, Mr. Karthik, who has been a former journalist and holds a postgraduate diploma in radio and TV journalism from Indian Institute of Mass Communication, New Delhi, affiliated to Ministry of Information and Broadcasting, Government of India, an avid public speaker and three-time national debate champion. He wishes to explore the nuances of new age media universe in transitioning landscape of journalism. He has also been awarded Certificate of Excellence from former CM of Uttarakhand, Mr. Rajesh Rawat. Karthik is currently working at ICCPL as an Assistant Manager, Research and Reports. So let me introduce you to ICCPL with the help of Mr. Karthik and jump into the interview directly. Good afternoon, sir. This is More Tanvi from Startup Lanes, and we are really very grateful to have you on the board for this interview.
Thank you. Thank you, Tanvi. Thank you so much.
Yeah. Sir, I will please request you to introduce yourself to our viewers.
Okay, Tanvi. Well, my name is Karthik, and I'm a postgraduate diploma holder in radio and television journalism from the Indian Institute of Mass Communication, New Delhi. The college is actually affiliated to the Ministry of Information and Broadcasting, Government of India. I have been a former journalist, and I'm currently working in ICCPL as an assistant manager for research.
Okay, great. So, sir, my very first question to you is that, can you tell us something about the beginning of ICCPL? How does it started and the initial stages of ICCPL?
Sure. So ICCPL, as the name says, it's Integrated Center for Consultancy Private Limited. ICCPL is one of the 360-degree marketing solutions company and is one of India's leading consulting PR firms. We have an experience of serving 200 plus clients in real estate, healthcare, education, auto, retail, hospitality, technology, and startups, to name a few. The testimony of ICCPL deliverables is the fact that the client retention ratio that we have is over 90%, and that's really huge. And with over 7,20,000 consulting hours, ICCPL provides 360-degree PR services to esteemed clients like DLF, HR Developers, OYO, Housing.com, Homax Limited, Signature Global, Pacific Malls, Vedas Cure, Jeevo Wellness, DPS Society, Jaipur Ecopub Institute, Gulshan Homes, to name a few. In financial year 19 and 20, against the slow economy, ICCPL was the only PR and communication agency with 75.6% growth rate. ICCPL digital subsidiary recently posted a growth rate of over 300% in Q2 during the pandemic situation. ICCPL has been the only MSMEs in PR and communication domain which has been awarded by the Government of India in 2019.
Okay. So, sir, you were telling about the client interaction of yours, and the statistics are great. So, I want to know about the growth of, the growth story of ICCPL.
Sure. So the journey started 10 years back. In 2011, Mr. Dushyant Sinha, who is the founder of Integrated Center for Consultancy Private Limited, he founded the company with a paltry sum of just rupees 5,000 out of his personal savings. He created ICCPL website with the investment of rupees 2,500 and purchased second-hand desktops and printers from the rest of the money. So for months after the inception of the company, Mr. Sinha would do cold calls, sales cold calls that we call, every day, but there was no results. By chance, while he was traveling on road someday, he came across a hoarding of a real estate company, and the name of the company was Gulshan Homes. And the next day, he saw a sales advertisement of Gulshan Homes in the newspaper. Gulshan Homes was an upcoming construction company which had delivered one residential project successfully and was in the process of selling another one at that point of time. So Mr. Sinha made a cold call to the sales head of Gulshan Homes and proposed a PR solution to him. And soon the sales head of Gulshan Homes organized a meeting of Mr. Sinha with the owner of Gulshan Homes, and fortunately Gulshan Homes owner was a business graduate from a top business school of India, and he understood the importance of PR.
Mm-hmm.
So when required by the owner, when all these things happened, he was actually looking out for a PR firm. So when inquired about the owner of Mr. Gulshan Homes said that, do you have any experience of PR in real estate, and do you have a team to work with you? So in reply, Mr. Sinha said that no, sir, I am a one-man army, and I'm sure you will not repent us giving the work.
Mm-hmm.
So Gulshan Home was initially, reluctant. Obviously, when you put your money on the table, you obviously feel a little reluctant about the fact that I'm investing my money somewhere, and whether the other person is going to get the job done or not. And initially, like I said, Gulshan Homes was a bit reluctant to give the PR job to ICCPL, but he was impressed by Mr. Sinha's honesty and dedication towards the work. And Gulshan owner took a leap of faith in Mr. Sinha and gave a chance to ICCPL. This is how ICCPL started. So in year 2019, ICCPL diversified into a Digicom marketing solutions LLP division to leverage the power of social media as new preferred mode of communication, like we say.
Mm-hmm.
By this time, ICCPL was a group of four companies. Like it was ICCPL, it was Digicom Marketing Solutions, Studio 360, and Kotak Management and Solutions. So
Mm-hmm.
this was to cater all the clients. The clients have certain demands, and to provide enhanced online visibility of the clients. This is what PR does. PR
Mm-hmm.
actually enhances your visibility in the media and in the eyes of the normal people out there. So this was understandable as the millennial consumers like us who come out from a millennial generation, and even Gen Z, like we say, the Generation Z, Z people. So it was the need of the hour, and millennial consumers are always searching and sharing opinions online
Mm-hmm.
than before. And being the technological advancement, everyone is on social media. So social media has come out to be like a gift when it comes to PR, because a lot of
Mm-hmm.
things happen on social media. So, like I said, this is how the journey started, and it's been around like 10 years, and we have been in the market. We have been doing a really great job. The team has been putting a lot of efforts into it, and I really feel proud to be associated with this team because it's been a decade now,
Mm-hmm.
and being from starting out in 2011, and now we have subsidiary companies under the name of ICCPL. It's a great honor for ICCPL as well as Mr. Sinha, because under the guidance of Mr. Sinha, a lot of team members have been pushing boundaries to achieve results. And like I said, we have a client retention ratio of 90 to 95%, and that's really huge
Mm-hmm.
because in PR, if you have to retain a client, it's very difficult because until and unless you don't keep on giving results to your clients, your client is going not going to stick if you don't give them results. But we have been doing that work exceedingly well, and I think this is the only reason that we have been in the in the market as a front runner, and we have been doing a really great job since 1 decade. Yes.
Mm-hmm. So, sir, answering my earlier question, you mentioned few companies that you are associated with, and they belong to different sectors. So, the next thing I want to know that which are the sectors client do you cater the most?
Okay. So when we talk about the number of clients that we have, or what sectors do we service, so we have an experience of serving clients from various sectors. We don't really restrict ourselves to just one sector. Yes, we have a major forte of major forte in real estate. Yes, we are a master when it comes to serving real estate clients, because this
Mm-hmm.
has been our forte. But yes, we have been experiencing number of clients from different sectors such as healthcare, fintech, education, auto, retail, hospitality, technology. We have, like we recently got a new client as well, who is a fintech client. And we are just not restricting ourselves to just one particular domain. We just want to explore out, and like I said, being in the industry for like 10 years, real estate has been our forte, but we have just not restricted to it. We just want to keep on expanding, and the team has been trying to push their boundaries by getting clients from different sectors, and this
Mm-hmm.
is how we have been achieving results.
Okay. So talking about expansion, I want to know that what are the maximum mandates of client that ICCPL holds in its account right now?
Okay. So the maximum number of clients that we hold in our account is 200 plus. We have clients like Rahija Developers, Signature Global, DPS Schools, in fact, Pacific Malls. And we have been serving these clients, and we have around like 7,20,000 consulting hours, and like experiencing clients from various different sectors. So yes, the majority of clients, that the number of clients, if you can say, the maximum mandate of clients that we have is 200 plus.
Mhm. So, sir, also you mentioned that you have a great teamwork and you have been working in this industry since 10 years. So, the next thing I want
Yes.
to know that, how does ICCPL manages the crisis? What is the crisis management technique which ICCPL use?
Okay. So when we talk about crisis management is actually a very vital part when it comes to public relations, because at the end of the day, when you are a brand,
Mhm.
obviously there are going to be certain mishappenings that are going to take place, whether it's from your end, because as a brand and as the owner of the brand, I don't want to commit any mistake, or I don't want any mishaps to happen, because
Mhm.
certainly when I am a brand owner and I own some brand, I obviously want the people to know me as like I am a great brand. There are
Mhm.
no flaws in my brand. I've been doing an exceedingly well work out there in the field. This is what a brand particularly thinks. And usually, when you try to expand your business and when you try to get on in the market, there are going to be certain mishaps, and it's not under your control. Certainly,
Mhm.
there are things like natural disasters and stuff that happens out there, and these are certainly not out of our control. But when we talk about crisis management in public relations, what happens is we actually take care of the mishappenings or some negative, news being circulating out there in the media.
Mhm.
Most of them are fake news, like I said, and with this boom in social media, fake news has been like a trend.
Yeah.
Like earlier when we used to study in journalism, there was a thing called yellow journalism, where it says
Yeah.
you have to promote a particular agenda which is not true, and it's a fake agenda, it's a false agenda. So this
Mhm.
is how crisis management happens, because there are going to be news out there in the market which are going to demean your brand due to certain mishappenings, good or bad, whatever it is. So ICCPL manages crisis with a team of with an exceptional team out here that we have. We have a special team for doing crisis management. So ICCPL manages crisis even at the last day and even at the last hour. So we have
Mhm.
been managing crisis on not just on a national level but on a regional basis as well.
Mhm.
So with an active team of dedicated professionals working 24/7, we have a strong relation with good licensing and litigation approach. And this is how crisis is being managed.
Okay. Sir, also ICCPL is certainly a known company, and I can also see few recognitions behind you on your screen. So, can you please tell us about the awards and recognitions that ICCPL hold?
Sure. Like I said, being in the market for the last 10 years, ICCPL has been awarded and has been honored on various platforms. So,
Mhm.
there are certain awards that I would like to mention out here. That is Specialized Consultancy of the Year, Real Estate 2020 by Exchange for Media in IPRCC Awards. Then we had PR and Corpcom Communication 40 Under 40 Awards 2020 by E4M Group. Then we had PR Agency of the Year 2020 by Silicon India. Then we had PR Agency of the Year 2020 by Brand India Excellence Award. Then we had Best PR Firm of the Year Pan India Awards of Excellence in MSME Innovation and Startup Summit, second edition. Then we had 40 Under 40 Young Turks by Impact in the year 2020, and the list goes on, because, like I said, the team has been putting a really hard work has been put in by the team. And this is the major reason that ICCPL has been awarded and honored at various platforms. And I can keep on talking about the awards and honors with you,
Mhm.
and the list is way too long. But I just don't want to I just don't want to consume all of that time for the viewers also that who are watching.
Mhm.
But yes, certainly the list of the awards is never ending out here in ICCPL. Yes.
I'm sure, I'm sure. Sir, also you have been a part of a wonderful team, as you mentioned. So, lastly, if you want to thank someone, then please go ahead.
I joined ICCPL, and the day I joined ICCPL, obviously when you join a new place, you obviously feel a little left out, because there are going to be a little bit of anxiety and a little bit of things that are going to bother you, whether you're going to gel up with people or not. But since first day, and heading the research department out here in ICCPL, and I have a strong responsibility on my shoulders for that. Still, when I met the entire team, be it the digital team, be it the accounts team, be it the PR team, the core team that work, everything has been really great. The people out here are really supportive. It never felt like I have joined a new place, because
Mhm.
obviously when you try to get gelled up with people, and it takes time. But in ICCPL, it happened like we are like a strong family, and this is how families operate. There are times when we are also there are things that we are going to we don't really get restricted to, but there is someone or the other who is going to back us up, and this is what makes a perfect team. Like, we have people in our team who backs us up, and we have a few of our people who have been working in the industry for I don't know how many years. Like, we can't even count, since it more than in the inception of the company. The people have been here, and they have been really supportive. So this is why this has become an ideal working space for me. And I have been I've been told by a lot of people that this is going to be the best workplace, and I was all about years and not just words. So I was like, let me just experience it, how it goes, and it went phenomenally well. And I feel that I am at the right place with the right team, and a right team is a team who works really hard, who is available all the time for their clients, and who have been contributing to each other's success. And that's what we have been doing at ICCPL.
Great. Sir, also thanks to you. Thank you for your time and for your crucial words. Thank you so much for being with us.
Thank you, Tanvi.